Morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning.
2007 was a record year, but I want to just start with the fourth quarter because on a net income basis, you did seem to miss estimates slightly. What's the reason behind that?
Well, we had to take some provisions, especially for the turnaround in Romania. But overall, with an EBIT increase of 25%, also the fourth quarter 2007 showed that our growth strategy is well on track. And for the full year, we delivered the fifth record result in a row.
Okay, let's focus on 2007. As we said, it was a record year. Is it sustainable? Can you top that in 2008?
Well, that, of course, will actually depend on the development of the crude prices and refining margins. But what we can say is that we expect for 2008, again, an increase in our production. We have succeeded to turn around the 30 years decline in the Romanian production. So we will see some increase in production in Romania, and new productions will come on stream in Kazakhstan, in New Zealand, some increases also in Libya and in Yemen. Therefore, we are quite optimistic as far as 2008 is concerned.
Almost 90% of your operating earnings are from oil and gas production, but refining and retail is showing very low profits. What are you doing to change that? What's the problem here?
Well, we are engaged in a major turnaround program as far as refining and marketing is concerned. We have invested heavily over the last 2 years in our refineries in Austria and in Germany, and have increased there the output of diesel and of high-value petrochemicals compared with gasoline, but also heavy fuel oil. So this situation will improve already significantly 2008. And for 2011, we also expect a final turnaround for the refining situation in Romania, where we have to invest substantially in order to build a state-of-art refinery very near to Bucharest. The marketing turnaround in Romania has already happened last year. Therefore, we are quite confident that refining marketing earnings shall increase in 2008 if the refining margin situation stays stable compared to 2007.
So you said the Romania problems have been weighing on the profit. You've talked there about what you're doing to try and get that profit margins up, but how much impact do you see it having on 2008 profits?
Well, the refining result in Romania will still be negative in 2008 because the energy efficiency of those refineries is very low. And if you have then a very high oil price that we have to expect for 2008, that means that this will be a negative result in refining. This will eventually be compensated by new value increasing investments, but they will only fully come on stream in 2011. But the other refinery investments in Austria and in Germany have happened already, so we'll see the result of these things already in 2008.
You've said there that the main market drivers, price of crude, refining margins, also the dollar-euro exchange rate will remain highly volatile throughout 2008. Looking at the currency, what are you doing then to sort of hedge against this?
Well, we are fully exposed to the oil price and, of course, to the dollar-euro exchange rate. That's pretty clear. But what should improve also in 2008 is the exchange rate euro to the Romanian lei. The Romanian lei could become a bit weaker, which will help us also on the cost position expressed in dollars. So we see that we are quite well positioned as far as those profit drivers for 2008 are concerned.
And then regarding your plans to take over your Hungarian compressor, MOL, what exactly are your plans there? Because, of course, there's a shareholder meeting coming up, isn't there?
Well, we are still convinced that a combination of those two companies makes sense in terms of synergies, in terms of growth aspects for the future. And therefore, we will use also the forthcoming General Assembly to make sure that the corporate governance rules are observed in this company. We are a bit concerned that management uses the funds of the company to buy shares and basically to seize control over the company, which is definitely not in line with good corporate governance rules, be it in Hungary or in European Union. At the same time, we are concerned about the investment strategy, which seems not to add value.
Okay, we do have to leave it there.